There are already people who do not take this Bollywood star, Canadian porn star, to Bollywood star. Yet many people them are known this about him. 1. 2008, Sunny dating the long time with comedian Russell Peter. 2. Sunny said this like more than women and men. He play in soccer league team in California during university. He playing a soccer club team in California during United States. Sunny because a number of this Tamil film industry of India to Hollywood. Tamil film to ending for world from Canada. Sunny get 50,000 followers in just 2 days, opening Twitter account. Not only that, it's looking for him so many people who are wonderful because it's wonderful. In Sunny, that age 18, feel this attraction psycho mix with both men and women. The first Indian and South Asian he because cover magazine in 2001. He is first porn star who made in set in Bollywood. Sunny said that after acquiring that cover this year, expression this destroy become his print after this earning $1 million. Sunny grew up in generally Punjab family. In childhood, see Hindi movie likes other. He has been inblooded into 4 people in this feeling 41. 2020 get place in this world top 20 pornography this list. Sunny started this career thought a job in German bakery. Sunny started this. Sunny mentioned this content during career theater industry. He would not be playing with women. The relationship with between Vice President Martin Ellis-Cons, Playboy, Interplayer Marketplace division was also the relationship with Sunny. Sunny looked to due this country media world is practically India television in Big Boss 5 India television. India looked him very well at ceremony.